But hold on. No.
Yeah.
No, then come and say, them charge them have 32 felony
charge.
Panning.
Yeah, so.
And them indicting.
Indicting.
How the he come back become
come
president.
back.
Me no want to fuck. Me no in that with them.
The moon is shining, so outside no dark. When we go inside, me go eat me dinner with knife and fork. Yes. It's another video, funny one. You know, upon the channel, we just post stuff to make you laugh. You understand? When ain't a controversy, we over here so try to bring people together through laughter. And we have another funny video from another funny man. And when me say funny, me mean comedic funny. King Johnny make out of iron. And this is why I said that.
Is that not so nice?
No, man, I'm chef long time, man. I'm the only one can do that, man. Take off a
Bingy can do it too.
No. Oh, hello. No.
Well, I mean, in a my little circle.
In your circle.
That's true.
Because me can do this too, you know.
Yeah, man.
Me no need no this tool to do that, you know.
So you are the pro, you are the chef in the crew.
You want Bingy? You want Bingy? Bingy can turn on school too,
No, because in ball out say Bingy can take up this without this towel.
Yeah.
Me can do that.
Okay.
I'm probably walking on the road with it in my hand same way.
True.
Oh no, because I'm tough like animal. But me no business. You know.
Yo. Johnny, no one now see you tough like animal. They must see you tough like iron. Unless you curry pork. I've never had pork. I don't even know if pork can curry. I was just saying. But Johnny him not easy, you know, man. Johnny said they gonna say him tough like animal if he take it pot cover and walk with it down the road. No, Johnny, you're Iron Man. You know no feeling in your hand, brother. Alright then. So we're moving forward. That was funny. Per usual. Johnny's a very controversial man. But in controversy, if you take it serious, something wrong with you. Because Johnny's just a funny dude and make me laugh. You understand? But this video now is a combination of Johnny and Jerry. I don't know who put it together, but in my opinion, it's funny. So I share with you guys.
Trump come out to the White House when he lose the election.
Wait, I say.
And him say he will be back for 2024.
Jump on the number one. Jump on top of the program.
32 felony. Them have for
You
him.
never know that.
How come he become president?
I don't know how.
And that will be look fun.
Me know say you take the job.
What do you mean?
I think that's what I'm rapping nobody.
Am my boss now?
I think anybody a friend.
Him not supposed to come the president according to them law, brethren.
Tell Trump that.
Yo, my name one talking and come on the guy come squeeze up and all.
The real Trump come deal with the come class shopping.
What him say then?
No more rice and sardine.
Me don't really like that.
Oh, you know you eat rice and sardine.
Well, me don't know about the party.
The one where see him done you.
And that you want to say?
And oh, you know that. You know what he did?
No.
I was a week ago.
A joke something on the pan, you know.
I think I'm plating and one.
What do you mean?
Daddy house done.
Yo, me don't want custom bad, you know.
Daddy house overrides out the world.
Yo, lock up a cameraman.
Whoever make the mix here, whoever make this a mix here, it bad. I swear. Johnny said lock off the camera because obviously they not agree with Johnny. I don't know. But Johnny is a man. When the words come out of him out, however you come out of him out, you listen and you laugh. If you take it serious, as I said, something wrong with you. So guess what we are doing right now? We're moving forward. Oh, by the way, Jerry's the next funny one. I swear to gosh. Yeah, man. You want Jerry? He more nasty still, you know. He always a chat about vagina and all kind of stuff, but he funny too. Moving forward. I know you're enjoying the video. I know you're liking the video. I know you want to continue to watch the video, but I don't know what's going on with YouTube and them algorithm, but my long form videos, they ain't going nowhere. So do me a favor, just like the video. It takes you 1 second, and just subscribe. That take 2 seconds. And just share it. That take 5 seconds. Now, let's continue watching.
Oh, no, that not gonna work. That not gonna work.
Yeah, man, you can't go now.
Yo, go suck yourself and go. Yo, go to me gate, man. Yo, go to me gate, man.
Yeah, man, more people than so.
That would not go down here. Yeah, man, stay out there, sir.
And when do Johnny forget Johnny upset? The man get Johnny cross, angry, means a rebel. Why? Johnny yard nice though. Johnny house nice. I don't know how true it is, but me there see a video where them say, oh, Johnny a deportee. Johnny used to push the Coca-Cola back in the days. I don't know. It could be a rumor. Me just say. If a rumor, but the boss house look nice. Moving forward.
I believe in everything me I
You
do.
go again.
Me
I mean,
believe.
understand.
No, me G. You have to believe in a brother. You have to believe in a
So
way
what about
you
the
do.
person?
And next man now believe in a you. And you have to believe in yourself. You know? So if you don't believe in yourself, oh, and next man I believe in you. So you have to believe.
Me, no,
you have to
want- hello, sir.
believe.
Hello, sir.
'Cause if you not believe, and next man now believe.
Sir, I don't want a guy come believe in me, no. I don't want no guy come believe in me. Let me tell you straight now.
All right.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. I don't want no guy come believe in me, no. Say what you want to say about Johnny, but this a man was straightforward. He ain't gonna tell you as it is. What? What's up with the word believe and Johnny? Him always a talk about believe. I see him man Bada Cat there talk about believe. Somebody can't tell. What? I don't remember the example, but I'm gonna dig up a video. But yeah. Anyways, you can't believe nothing will come out of Johnny mode. And the next video, if you want to believe what Johnny has said, it's up to you. But Johnny does a share film opinion, and I find it funny. You see me I say? So, by the way,
When Trump win the first election, the argument was Trump banned to the election. But then when vote out time, when the 4 year done, vote out, them say, whatever. Him say before he come out of the White House, when him lose the election, him say he will be back to 2024
Yeah, man,
election.
him talk that,
Him
man.
talk
Him
that
talk
openly.
that.
So nobody can tell me, say, you don't hear that.
Talk that, man.
If you don't hear that, you left on your own. No, after that happened, the agent them in America say, the Trump take the documents, them the secret information, cargo and private out of Florida. You remember that?
Yes.
And the FBI go down read it out. But hold on. No.
Yeah.
No, they come and say, them charge them have 32 felony
charge.
upon him.
Yeah, so.
And them indicting.
Indict
how
him
the
so
he come back become
come
president.
back.
Me no want to know the fuckery. Me no in that with them.
Me no in that
Brethren,
either.
I see you something now.
I see you
But
something.
you what happened is it Trump something?
You know, just so.
That they prophesy from in
Yeah.
the 16th century. Say
Yeah.
this is going to happen.
Yeah.
Something that want a man
From the
come.
16th century.
Yes, man.
How is that possible though?
What?
Brethren, and that
White
message,
man
you had a
country,
joke
man.
something on that pan, you know. A
White man
joke.
country, no man. Them
Brethren,
know
me said
them
that
again,
they
man.
prophesy said this is going to happen and this man supposed to be the last president, you know.
Yeah.
That
Last.
prophesy now, this man supposed to be the last president of America. So just think about that.
Yeah.
Say it come down to that. You know what will happen? Existence they go wipe out, you know.
America go wipe out.
me telling you, yo, me telling you, said, if you follow Johnny, on the worse than Johnny, on the need therapy. Johnny said, this was prophesied from the 16th century. You know what 16th century was? From 1505, 1555. What are you going 1555 in America and I'm sitting there? The British, they still a rule over here, so. In the Americas. So how them know who they will be president? In 2024, 25. Hey, Johnny a real drama man, you know, man. And then my man, I think I don't know her name. Red shirt. Just I agree with every single thing where Johnny say. I must Johnny yes man. Or sir man. Oh my gosh. Yeah, sir man, this cause Johnny does a preach. Preach for me laugh and you laugh. Man, listen. You can't follow Johnny. You have to just laugh. If you take Johnny serious, something wrong with you. Anyways, like the video for me, subscribe, share it, and select turn on the notification bell And whatever me miss a while ago, I want to sleep. So just do it for me. Manners and respect.